Vigo's gone for good.
You want to hurt Vigo? Talk to me. I told you I'd be back. This is good. Yes, of course. The strangest thing happened while I was out traveling the world in search of Oswald the Agreeable. So there I was, searching for dear old Dad, when I captured the wimpiest hunter. I mean, he was just a little tiny wimpy. He was about your size and build. No offense. Anyway, all I had to do was sneer at him, and he gave up everything. I mean, I actually had to give him the berserker chokehold just to shut him up.
So what did the hunter say about Vigo?
I'll tell you if you call me brother. Please? Just once, please? Okay. Just a barrel of laughs, aren't you? He told me where Vigo hides his
What?
Whoa.
and if I remember correctly, some of that
Is Burke's
bingo.
And we could get it back and cripple Vigo in one blow. Let's ride.
I'm not seeing any. Are you seeing any? Is anyone seeing any?
It's not loud.
You want to do the honors, or shall I? Hiccup was never that easy to capture when I was chasing him.
And no sign of the other dragon riders. I think we should...
Don't think. Keep looking. They're out there. And bring Hiccup to my chambers. I'd like to have with him.
Dragon Riders rescue Dragon Riders. I have known Hiccup for my whole life, and he's my best friend, Dagur. Whenever I have needed him, he has been there for me, and now he needs me. We are doing this my way.
That was beautiful, man. Just beautiful.
Please, sit.
I'll stand.
Forgive my brother. He doesn't understand the concept of savoring victory. You and your dragon riders could have spent months searching that island, and you'd never find my...
Well, you never know. He might surprise you when you least expect it.
Ah, you're referring to your impending rescue. Don't count on it.
not useful?
You're wasting your time, Astrid. We're in a cell. Cells are built to keep people in, not let them out, okay? I'm starting to think you're not as...
Now it's useful.
Coming to save you. Such loyalty.
What are you getting at, Vigo?
Do you really think, after all we've been through, I'd expose myself without some added protection?
You're about to have a front row seat for the deaths of your riders and their dragons.
What? Dragon-proof ships?
Okay, that didn't work. Anyone have any other thoughts that, I might have mentioned earlier?
Fish legs. I think maybe we should try it my brother's way.
Berserker style!
Give him a